Hi there, my name is Sloane and I'm the public programmer here at the Port Colborne Historical and Marine Museum. I'm here today at the Sloane Mansion to teach you how to make a traditional Victorian Christmas tree ornament. The ornament I'm going to be showing you how to make today is a pinecone angel. So if you're interested in making this with me, join me for the rest of the video. To complete this craft, here's what you'll need. 1 pine cone, some air dry clay, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, some white paint and a paintbrush, a yellow pipe cleaner, some crocheted lace or ribbon, and either covered wire or string. Your first step will be to take some of your air dry clay and roll it into a ball. This will be your angel's head. Once you've rolled up your ball of clay like this, you can take your pine cone. See that top little bit right there? You can go ahead and pop your clay ball onto the top of your pine cone, just like that. Once we have the angel head attached to the angel body, we can go ahead and let this air dry clay completely dry. While we're waiting for that air dry clay to dry, we can go ahead and move on to our next step, which is making the angel wings. We'll be using the crocheted lace for that, and you're just going to take your lace, give it a little fold up at the top, and you could base your pine cone, kind of see how big you have to make these wings. And then we're just gonna make a cut. Now that we have our first piece of lace for our first wing, we're gonna go ahead and measure out the same amount of crocheted lace and do a second cut. So that now we have 2 pieces of lace for 2 angel wings. Now that we have our lace cut, I'm going to go ahead and use our hot glue gun and glue sticks to glue down that top half of the lace. So I'm just placing a little bit of glue on there and sticking that lace down so that we have just a little bit of that wing shape. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. And now what we can do is glue these 2 pieces together. Just add a little bit of glue. So now we have our completed angel wings. The next thing that we can do to wait for that clay to dry is to make the angel's halo. What you'll need for that is a small piece of yellow pipe cleaner. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take that small piece of pipe cleaner, you're going to twist it right at the top so that it creates a little halo shape. Twist it to secure it. Play around with the shape a little bit. It might take some time. And then you're going to bend the extra piece of pipe cleaner on a 90-degree angle so that it'll stick above our angel's head. Now that my clay is finally dry on my angel, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some white paint and start painting the head of my angel white. You can choose whichever color you want. I just have white acrylic paint on hand. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that paint and start covering the face with white. Once my white paint was dry, I went ahead and added just a little more detail to the face. I added some eyes with eyelashes and a little singing mouth. Our next step will be taking our accessories, the wings and the halo, and hot gluing them to our angel. The first piece I'm gonna add to our angel is our halo. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to the back of my angel's head. And then glue the halo on, just like that, so that when you turn that angel around, it has a little halo over its head. Next, we'll be adding the wings onto the back of our angel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of hot glue to the center of those wings and then stick it onto the back of the angel. that it has these cute little lace wings. The final step of our angel craft will be taking some covered wire. I have white covered wire here, giving it a little twist and gluing it to the back of our angel so that we have something to hang it to the Christmas tree with. Once that final step is complete, it should look a little something like this, and it's all ready to be hung up on your Christmas tree. Make sure to keep an eye on our page this December for more Victorian Christmas crafts.